Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's a boy Jinx and Beauty. You know how we do. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the Kai Jmari's OTIS choreography. Yeah, the one you've been seeing everywhere. Let's dive right into it. End of this video, you will be hitting every move and every beat with confidence. Whether you're training, creating, or just trying to nabble up, got you. Let's jump into it. Just right before we get into the heavy moves, we're gonna view the strong bass. This choreography isn't about musicality, timing, and flow. We're gonna break this whole routine into two parts. The first part consists of the first moves. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and the second part consists of the second part of the routine. So the first part is going to start with this and end with bam, bam, boom. Yes. The first part ends with that, while part two starts with this. All right. So get a hand of that. No further ado, we're going to go into step one. And the first move, you want to act like you're doing the walk it out. The walk it out is a Pokna hip hop dance move. So you want to get a hand of that before you can understand how the first move works. So the work out basically go like this. Or for the purpose of this tutorial, for the first move, you want to 1, 2, 3. We'll take that again. 5, 6, go, and 1, 2, 3. When you do that, your hand strings 1, 2, 3. All right. So we go 5, 6, go, and 1, 2, 3. But again, 5, 6, go, and 1, 2, 3. Perfecto. So once you stop on 3, your hand goes boom, boom, boom. So I basically popping your chest where your hand extends forward. So you get the hang of this. Here we go. Bam, bam, bam. All right. To send your head down and you catch yourself down here and you come up with a twist to twist. 5, 6, go. 1, hatch. 1, 2, 3. But act like you're moving your hips with it. All right. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right. Then we go bam, bam. And we go 1, 2. And you switch it up 1, 2. I'll take it to the side so you have a review of how it looks. So we go bam, bam, and 1, 2. It's more like you're setting your leg backward. All right. Looks like we go send, send. You meet at the center and you want to switch it up like 1, na, na, na. All right. So you pull your knife back and forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay. But once you pull it back, now you want to send through, but you're moving forward with that. And we go 1, 2. All right. Then you bring your hand and your knees up like this. So 1, 2, and send the whip to your butt and back up. All right. So bam, bam, butt up. I'll take that slowly. 1 and 2, and wave back and wave up. 1 to go. 1, 2, butt and up and slice. 1, 2. Then your right leg goes behind. 1, stop. And you 1, 2, 3. But when you do this, it might work with you like you're moving forward. It will go 1, 2, 3. All right. So put that together. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, butt up, bam, bam. So tap, tap, bam, bam. All right. So we go 1, 2, but we and all right. So more like a slice, bam, bam. And we go back and stop, bam, bam, da. And you twerk quick, bam, bam, bam. So your waist just twerks and your hand goes like this. All right. Stop. All right. We're going to the next part. You want to go, stop. So more like you open up with your knees and your hands. 1. So 1, stop. One more time. 5, 6, go. open up and pause. Once you're here, you just want to swing while moving your hips. Basically, this is about moving your hips and tapping into your feminine energy. So when you go here, there's a groove in your waist. So you want to take note of that, get a hang of that. So ta ta ta. So there's a groove. There's this groove when you do that. All right. So wave, pose, tap, tap, and we'll keep our hands like this. I want to run forward, but also maintaining the groove I just mentioned. So ta ta ta. All right. So we go ta 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 ta. Referring to. Once you're here, you want to do like a crisscross. Your hand goes above you where leg crosses. Ta ta. And 1, 2. So take that again. 1, 2, 1, 2. And you eat. Swim, swim, swim. Power move, pause. This marks the end of part 1. We're going to take it slowly, a step at a time, and see how we're able to connect them together. Most importantly, you have to take note of your transitions. Make sure your transitions are as smooth as possible. This makes the whole routine looks perfect. All right. So 5, 6. Bloom this time, a step at a time. 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. Na na na. 8, 5. Twist, twist, twist. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Stop. Na na na. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Butt. Slice. 1, 2. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Twig, stop. 1, pause, groove, and groove, and 1, 2, 1, 2. It's swim, swim, power, stop. Perfecto. All right. Guys, like I said, transition is key. Ensure to execute every move as detailed as possible. All right. So now that we're done with part 1, we'll move on to part 2 of the choreography. All right. At this point, you can take a break, take some water, catch a break, and we'll proceed. All right. If you're serious about growing as a dancer and not just learning cool combos, check out my online classes. I've got full courses for all levels, focused on musicality, control, and freestyle. You can find them here, or you click on the link in the description to gain access easily. All right. So with no further ado, we're going to go into part 2. So once we finish up part 1 and we end with the power move and stop, we're going to tilt our head twice facing forward. So 1, 2. All right. So 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Then you want to bring your right leg in front of you with a fist. But you want to wiggle. So 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Wiggled one behind like this. So basically wiggling like a stanking leg or wiggle your legs. All right. Then the one behind steps forward while you roll your hand. So when you make that step forward, you want to roll your hand with that. So wiggle, step with your roll. 1, 2. But watch what, put your chest here. So this goes 1, 2. Engage your chest and your cup. While you tap your toes here. So we go 1, 2. Your leg goes behind. 1, 2. And you point here. Bring it forward and keep it sexy. All right. Moving to the next part with the hand pull. And we go 1, 2. While stepping back with every pull. All right. Now you want to move your leg like this. Tap, tap. Get a hang of this. Tap, 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 tap. So when your leg does that, from this final pull, your hand goes ta da tap. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. So I'll take it again with the hand pull. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Ta da tap. All right. So there are 3 intricate moves there. You have the mud wave. All right. We have our hand move. I will have the nook. So we're going to do these 3 moves simultaneously. Make sure they come in exactly one after the other and keep it smooth. So 5, 6, cents from the hand pull. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, tap, 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 tap. All right. You want to tap 3 times while engaging your waist as well. So ta, 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 ta. And 1, 2. So you want to grind like this or roll your waist. So 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you should be here on the left. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. All right. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. To grind it, you stop with a third pose and walk your waist and your hands. So ta ta ta. Keep it as fast as possible. Ta ta ta, and stop. So 1, 2. 1, 2. So you want to engage your waist and you go down. All right. So you basically get the hang of this and you take it down, but twice now. And we go 1, 2. And we go step back. This goes out. All right. So step, bring it back. Your left comes up and your right slides out and the pull. All right. And you tap 1, 2, 3. Pause and boom, boom. All right, and that is the end of our part 2. I'll take it again slowly this time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, stop, up, bam, and walk, walk, stop, ta da ta da ta, boom. All right, so now. Right. Wow, at the end of this tutorial, if you've gotten to this point so far, you are doing such an amazing job. If this helps you, make sure to like it, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section and share with someone who is still stuck at the first 8 count. I've got some more interesting breakdowns coming your way. So if you're about improving your movement and leveling up your skill, make sure to subscribe to the PSK YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any drop, and see you in our next video. I'm Jinx, representing the PSK Studios, and see you on the next one.